Hi everyone, solve for a in this nice exponential equation. A raised to the power 3 plus a is equal to 10. We have a raised to the power 3 plus a is equal to 10. We will subtract 10 on both sides of the equation. A raised to the power 3 plus a minus 10 is equal to 0. Can we write this 10 as 8 plus 2? So our equation now becomes a cube plus a minus bracket 8 plus 2 is equal to 0. Multiplying the negative sign inside the bracket, a cube plus a minus 8 minus 2 is equal to 0. Moreover, we write this equation as a cube plus a minus, can we write a as a 2 cube, because 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 2 is 8, minus 2 as it is equal to 0. Now we will group together a cube minus 2 cube plus a minus 2 is equal to 0. As we know the formula, x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. So applying the formula here, we have a minus 2, a square plus a into 2 plus 2 square plus a minus 2 as it is equal to 0. Taking a minus 2 common, left with a square plus 2a plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. A minus 2, a square plus 2a plus 5 is equal to 0. Either this will be equal to 0 or this will be equal to 0. A minus 2 equal to 0 or a square plus 2a plus 5 equal to 0. By solving the first case, adding 2 on both sides, we get the first value of a, which is plus 2, and this is the real value of a. Now moving to the second case, a square plus 2a plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We have to use quadratic formula to get the value of a. X equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. We know the value of a, b and c. What is a? A is 1. What is b? B is 2. And what is c? is 5. Putting this value in the formula to find the value of A. A will be equal to minus B minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 2 square plus 4 into A is 1, C is 5, all over 2A is 1. Now A is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 square is 4. And 4 minus 4 into 5, taking 4 common, will be 1 minus 5 all over 2. A equals minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 into minus 4 is minus 16 over 2. A is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 16 times square root of minus 1 over 2. So A will be equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 16 is 4 and square root of minus 1 is iota. Dividing 2 on both, we get the second and third value of A, which is minus 1 plus minus 2 iota. So we have three values of A. One is real, 2, second minus 1 plus 2 iota, and third is minus 1 minus 2 iota. If we put the real value in the given equation for check, A cube plus A equals 10, so it will be 2 cube plus 2, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, and 10 is equal to 10, so left hand side equal to right hand side, and our value of A is 2. We can also check for minus 1 plus 2 iota and minus 1 minus 2 iota. It will also verify that left hand side equal to right hand side. Please put these values in the given equation and let me know in the comments that whether you get left hand side equal to right hand side or not. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.